Guys, hello. Um, I just played one of the most very interesting matches and exciting matches, as I can say. Um, so this match I actually lost, but here are the highlights.
He on the bench.
So we were just testing Nani, which is a
Look at
new
that
card.
man. Five star, five star.
That's a great card, you all can see.
Just
Look at that card,
Oh my
guys.
God.
Wow.
So many notifications.
97 acceleration, then sprint speed, and then
Wow.
look at that dribbling. Wow.
He's
99 dribbling,
support Dalbot.
and that's our team, guys.
These
So
will be our defenders.
yeah, as I'm saying in the stream, that Dalbert's gonna go out and Nani is gonna come in, even though he's gonna play on 5 chemistry, but it doesn't matter.
In 4-4-2, we're gonna play him over here.
Yeah, so 4-4-2, we're gonna play
As a
Dalbert
left mid.
over here
Alright.
as a left mid, Nani as a left mid.
Neymar striker. Moments Nani.
So that was a opponent. That was a pretty good team. Just look at his team. Just look at his team. Jimenez, Vardy, top notch. NDD, top notch. Fuchs, top notch. Fernando Hierro, top notch. Carvajal, top notch. David De Gea, top notch. Robertson, top notch. Mane, very good. So I'm gonna skip. And as you can see, I changed him for Nani. Yep. And here we go into the game.
Very significant occasion.
Yeah, thank you,
So
Derek.
I was
Always
playing
my
pretty
favourite
well.
Time of the week, spending time with you at games. We should be in for a belter here with these two.
I was playing pretty well, you know.
Two main
I
strikers
made 2 or
stay
3
close
chances.
together.
I was making
Full-back
great
and
tackles, like you can see over there.
The two holding
I was
midfielders
making
sit
great
front
passes
centre
also,
back.
but
Very
the
solid
game was
balance.
feeling a little bit clunky, you know.
And this is the initial 11 for the visitors today.
So here he's having a good chance. He came into the box, but I had selected my Nelson Semedo. I guess here I go for the counter. I think so.
It'll be more like a
Hey, look at that
three,
passing, man.
full-back
My passing is going with perfect, but Dalbert over here is 76 rated as a super sub. So yeah, he can't run over here. So that was
Wishes he had that passing opportunity back. Here's Carvajal. Jimenez. From him in this game.
yeah. Now over here we create a good chance.
His ability on the ball is absolutely phenomenal.
We were going for a
Doesn't pass
chance.
the ball away, he lends it to his teammates because he wants it back. Very difficult.
Yeah. So we tried to fool him, but he didn't.
Jamie Vardy now.
Okay, that's my friend.
Well, effective pressing, but will it translate into something positive?
So over there with Neymar we tried to go, but then we didn't. Again we got Vidal in the right. We did the heel to heel. We did the fake shot, but then Mahrez again. But Mahrez won the ball again, and then he passes back to Vidal. Passes back to Mahrez, back to Vidal. Little bit of tiki taka over there, but then he loses the ball. So we were playing pretty well. Yeah, I was playing songs also out there in the top left. We were playing pretty well, pretty well. Like we were creating chances. Now look at this. Look at this fake shot by Neymar. Oof! Oh my God! Play that O thingy. Wait, where's that? Now look, just look at this.
Neymar.
Oh my God! Good night, bro.
Textbook defending inside the box.
Yeah, so we were playing pretty good, but then this happens. Look at this. Just look at this.
Mates to play
So he comes into my box right over here, and then it went straight to my keeper, and then he pushed it out of the box, and then he scores a penalty.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, look at that. I said Jesus Christ right there. That was button delay right over there, guys. Button delay at his best. So I thought he's going to go to the right because most of the people go to the right. They fool us, but then he went to the left. He was smart. He fooled me.
A goal it is.
So that's his first goal, and I pressed X right after that.
Options appear plentiful.
And right after 2 or 3 minutes, look at this. So I started the game, he tackled me, and that's a rebound
attacking options appear
Look at that, look at that. I got the ball, but then that was kind of my fault. I accept my fault over here. Yeah, that was my fault over there. Because, you know, look, you can see that. What did I do with Reguilon over there? So, I got the ball over here, but then I made a mistake. I should have gone towards the, towards Maldini over here. But then I went towards his Raul Jimenez. That was the main fault. And that was a brilliant cross from him. My opponent was playing really, really good. Yeah, brilliant. So we were 2-0 down over here, and I don't know what I was doing, but tactically I wasn't thinking anything right now because my tactics were on point because I had made mistakes. It was not the game, it was not the tactics, it was me. You know, in the first goal it was the game's mistake, but in the second one it wasn't. So it was just sheer luck for him. And over here we get Ter Stegen with the ball. And then it's minute 27 over here, as you can see. So we were playing pretty good. The ball control was good. The passing was alright over here, like you can see. The defending was pretty good. But then, you know, those days, one of those days. Now look at this. So Alan is playing pretty well. He goes with the run, but then the game was so clunky, the gameplay was so slow that I couldn't do anything. The Alan was like, he has 90 pace, he had like some 70 pace over here. That wasn't a penalty, thank God. Yeah, look at this. Just look at this now from Neymar. Look at this. We come as a counter attack. Now see, I do go back to Neymar. Look at that touch from Neymar. That was such a bad touch. I swear I had pressed the shoot button over there. That touch, you know, it would have been a goal if he didn't take that extra touch. I had taken a shot over there. The game didn't register my commands. Okay, I'm just speeding it out now. So he passes the ball over here. Brilliant pass that, and that's a goal. So I'm 3-0 down, and I had to change something. So, so I changed to the 4-2-3-1 formation, and then I changed some tactics. I'm not gonna show it over here, but then we got the tactics in right position, and then now we were just hoping for one goal before halftime. So we get the ball over here. It's 45 minutes. You can see in the top left, 45 minutes. I pass.
Where is he passing?
See, where is he passing? I just literally said that. So I think we get the ball. Yes, we get the ball. I quickly put a through ball to Arturo Vidal. And look at this dribble from Drogba. That's a goal. That's a goal. I did a raspberry over there. What do you call that? Was that correct? Yeah, raspberries. What the fuck? Yeah, so halfway through, we were playing pretty good. I had that, you know, we could come back because we won 2 goals down only.
Didier Drogba.
That was a bad run by Neymar over there. So look at this. Now this is why I'm gonna change Drogba if EA gives me pack luck. So look at that run from Nani. Pass it to Drogba. Drogba misses that. He's 4-star, 4-star. Come on, what the hell are you doing, Drogba?
Well, 2 goals down. You can't keep wasting chances like this.
Here's Carvajal.
So this is kind of
a good pass. And breaking at pace with menace. And they can't quite take advantage.
Now we go with a run to Mahrez. We fooled him a little bit. Go into the box, but then his Robertson was there.
And they could get one back here.
Now look at this attack. This attack was brilliant, to be honest.
A highly purposeful
Neymar goes in. Neymar, you know, Neymar ball control goes with Drogba. And then Drogba passes it back, and then AI defending again. It gets blocked. Oh, he tackled me, sorry. Now here's a goal.
Vidal. It's with Alan.
Playing a little bit slow with patience. Yeah, I deserve that. I deserve that. And then Drogba. And then I did the Kalma celebration. Wow.
Well, here's a
So he's changing something. He put a pause. And then again I made a mistake over here. I'm such a fool.
Paul Pogba.
So he's going and then he passes it to them.
Here's Insigne.
And I did offside trap. I thought he's gonna pass it to somebody else over there. Pass it back. I didn't see his defender over there. I didn't see Maldini over there. I thought he was offside. But then he wasn't, and then he scores a goal.
Weighted pass.
So that's 4-2 guys. 4-2. Right? Listen to this. Look at this. You can't write this up. Alright. And now
Neymar.
we pass it. We play very well now.
Drogba.
We had to win the game.
Mahrez.
So Mahrez dribbles. Mahrez tricks them. He passes it to somebody and then AI defending again. Alright. So now this is the best goal of all the four. This is the best goal of all the four. Oh my god. Did you just see that? I'm gonna play it again. This is the best goal of all of.
Arturo Vidal.
He dribbles past 3 defenders. Come on, what a goal!
Not over just yet.
Yeah, now put the offside trap perfectly, and then we get the ball back.
Good intervention just then, and then
And then now Drogba and Nani runs in.
Nani with it. It needs an accurate cross.
And we pass it back to Nani. Nani gives it back to Alan. Alan to Drogba, but Drogba gets it back. It's a rebound. Bad goal, but then we deserve it. And I get up on my chair and start celebrating. But the celebrations were useless because then look at this. He starts the kickoff. We do a tackle. So the ball goes out. And just look at this now. He passes it. Alright, but look at what is my defender doing? What is my defender doing over there? Oh my god, why is that gap over? Why was there a gap over there? Look at that gap, bro. Look at that gap, dude. What the hell was that? Might be my mistake a little bit, but it was the game's fault too. And then we try a bit very hard, but then we lose 5-4. When Drogba scores 3 goals. But then we're gonna change Drogba, guys. For sure, we're gonna change him. His passing sucks. That's the main thing. His passing and balance. Alright, that's the end of it. I hope you liked it. And this was one of the brilliant matches I've played, but then we lost it. A draw would have been sweet, but we can't ask anything more for that. Bye guys, thank you for watching.